Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make canned chicken. First, gather all your essential canning equipment. You'll need a pressure canner, clean canning jars, new lids, and rings. Next, select fresh, high-quality chicken. You can use boneless breasts or thighs or even bone-in pieces. Thoroughly wash and sterilize your jars and prepare your lids as directed by the manufacturer to ensure a safe seal. Now let's prepare the chicken for packing. Cut your chicken into 1-inch cubes for boneless meat, or leave larger pieces if you're using bone-in. You can choose a raw pack, placing raw chicken directly into jars, or a hot pack, pre-cooking the chicken slightly. Remember to add 1 teaspoon of canning salt to each pint jar, or 2 teaspoons for each quart jar for flavor. With your jars filled, wipe the rims clean to ensure a good seal, then secure the lids and rings finger tight. Carefully place the jars onto the rack in your pressure canner, ensuring there are 2 to 3 inches of hot water in the bottom. Follow your canner's instructions to vent steam for 10 minutes. Then, process pint jars for 75 minutes and quart jars for 90 minutes at the correct pressure for your altitude. Once processing is complete, let the pressure canner cool down naturally until the pressure gauge reads 0. Do not rush this step. Carefully remove the hot jars and let them cool undisturbed on a towel for 12 to 24 hours. After cooling, check that all lids have sealed properly. Store your perfectly canned chicken in a cool, dark, and dry place for optimal quality, enjoying it within 1 year.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.